Our today's video isn't just about some basic tools or DIY solutions. Though you can use them for those tasks, but these tools are the best suit for any woodworking professional to tackle their commercial projects. So let's not waste more time and see what we've got. So this RYOBI 5-inch random orbit sander deserves a spot in your lineup when you're handling some serious woodworking projects. This handy tool delivers powerful performance with its brushless motors and advanced lithium technology. It's such a combination that boosts your overall productivity and also ensures great durability. Thanks to the low-profile design, this orbital sander gives you smooth and controlled material removal. It means you'll achieve that fine finish your client expecting. Plus, there's a built-in LED light that gives you a clear view so you can sand with precision. On top of that, the reduced vibration keeps your hands stay steady and comfortable, even during long sanding sessions. You can easily switch between 3 speed settings, from 7,000 to 11,000 OPM, to match whatever project you're working on. Changing sandpaper, it's also an easy task with the hook and loop system. So if you want a tool that's all about precision, comfort, and making your job easier, this sander will be the right pick for you. If you're tired of clamping limitations, the Bessey EHKL360 is here to shake things up. This pro-level clamp features a patent-pending design with a handle that rotates a full 360 degrees around the rail, so that you can get full flexibility on the job. No matter you're clamping or spreading, you can position the handle just right for better control and comfort. The coolest part of this clamp is you can easily rotate the handle 180 degrees out of the way, even in the tight spaces. And it will make room for multiple clamps side by side without a hassle. For woodworking pros who need adaptability and smart solutions, this clamp is undoubtedly a solid go-to. Want the freedom of cutting any shape right in the palm of your hand? Say hi to the WEN 6.6 ampere variable speed orbital jig saw. This heavy-duty cutter glides through wood, metal, plastic, and more, so that you can achieve complex patterns and contours with ease. Plus, it allows you to adjust the speed anywhere from 0 to 3,300 strokes per minute, while the onboard laser and front-mounted LED light keep your cuts precise and well lit. You can tackle wood up to 4 1/4 inches thick or metals up to 3/8 of an inch without a problem. Moreover, the orbital selection knob lets you fine-tune the blade action to match the material's density, ensuring clean and accurate cuts. For those long jobs, the lock-on button comes in handy, saving your hand from trigger fatigue. Best of all, blade changes are quick and hassle-free with the tool-free quick-release chuck. With precision, versatility, and comfort all in one, this jigsaw truly checks all the boxes for professional woodworkers. If stubborn screws had a nemesis, it would be the Hart 20-volt impact driver kit. With up to 1,800 inch-pounds of torque, this lightweight tool powers through demanding applications without breaking a sweat. This impact driver features a variable speed trigger that ranges up to 2,600 RPM, so that you can get precise control for faster, cleaner drilling. Additionally, bit changes are a snap thanks to the 1/4-inch quick connect chuck, saving you valuable time on the job. The onboard LED light ensures your workspace stays bright even when the lighting isn't ideal, while the built-in bit storage keeps extra accessories within reach. Furthermore, since it's compatible with all Hart 20-volt batteries, this impact driver is a true powerhouse that every woodworking pro will appreciate. Milwaukee Tool is such a name professional often trust unhesitantly. That's why we have kept this 16-gauge straight finish nailer on our list. Having this tool on your storage is like having a high-powered nailing solution without the annoying compressor and hose. Thanks to its nitrogen air spring mechanism, it consistently sinks nails to the perfect depth in both hard and soft woods, leaving clean nail holes that are easy to fill for smooth, repeatable results. The combination of the nitrogen air spring, power-stated brushless motor, and RedLink Plus intelligence gives you a pneumatic-like response with 0 ramp-up time, ensuring you stay efficient and on track throughout your work. Plus, its compact and ergonomic design makes it easy to access tight spaces while reducing fatigue, so you can keep going longer with less strain. If you're looking for a super handy pruning saw, the Milwaukee Hatchet pruning saw might just be the tool you need. This electric saw gives you incredible control and makes it easy to get into those hard-to-reach spots. It's made especially for landscape pros, but is perfect for anyone who needs a lightweight, compact saw that's easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The power comes from its brushless motor, which is not only strong but also lasts longer. Plus, thanks to RedLink Plus intelligence, this saw is smart enough to keep itself from overheating or getting overworked, so it runs smoothly and efficiently. It can cut through 3-inch hardwood with no problem and can handle up to 120 cuts on a single charge. Some other awesome features: it has a variable speed trigger so you can control how fast or slow you want to cut, and an easy access chain tensioner, which makes adjusting the chain a breeze. All in all, this saw gives you total control over your work and gets the job done without a hassle. This is Litheli 20-volt cordless drill driver, an ideal tool for tackling all your light to medium-duty screwing and drilling needs, especially when working on woodworking projects. It comes equipped with a variety of screwdriver bits and accessories, giving you great versatility for different tasks. The drill's lightweight and ergonomic design ensures that it's comfortable to hold, making even long jobs less tiring. Plus, the balance between weight and size makes it easy to control. A handy built-in LED light helps you work in darker areas, so you're never stuck trying to screw or drill in the dark. What makes this drill stand out is its 19 torque adjustment settings, which help you achieve the right power and precision for every job. Whether you're driving screws into softwood, hardwood, or even metal, this drill has you covered. The 2-speed settings also let you adjust how fast or slow you drive screws, ensuring a neat finish for every project. CAMO ClipDRIVE. This stand-up tool is specifically designed to fasten CAMO's grooved decking clips, such as the EdgeX, and EdgeX metal clips, which are known for creating smooth, screw-free deck surfaces. Its ergonomic design features a height-adjustable handle that makes it comfortable to use while standing, saving you from bending or kneeling during installation. The tool also has a weighted nose that makes screw targeting easier, meaning you'll get it right the first time without worrying about missing your mark. The clip drive attaches directly to your drill, turning it into a super efficient fastening machine. This tool makes the process of attaching clips quick, comfortable, and accurate. And when paired with CAMO's universal clips and lever tools, it becomes part of an unbeatable system for grooved deck installation. Next, the Wen Sliding Compound Miter Saw. This tool allows you to make incredibly precise cuts thanks to its 2-speed motor that can run at either 3,200 RPM or 4,500 RPM, depending on the material you're working with. The sliding feature lets you cut longer boards effortlessly, making it a great tool for cutting large pieces of wood or other materials. Built with durable stainless steel castings, this saw is tough enough to handle any job site condition and provides long-lasting reliability. The saw also offers a bevel range from 0 to 45 degrees, along with different miter angle options, giving you the flexibility to make various angled cuts for complex projects. The integrated laser guide helps you line up cuts with extreme precision, ensuring you get it right every time. To top it off, this miter saw features an iron blade guard for enhanced safety, a dust collection system to keep your work area clean, and an extension table to support larger work pieces. When you need a reliable tool for cutting through thick logs and large trees, the Metabo cordless chainsaw is the perfect solution. This chainsaw boasts an impressive 16-inch chain, which is long enough to handle even the most challenging cutting jobs. Its efficient brushless motor drives the chain at speeds of up to 22 meters per second, allowing you to cut through wood quickly and with minimal effort. Powered by 2 18-volt batteries, this chainsaw can make up to 171 cuts on a single charge, which means you won't have to stop and recharge in the middle of your project. The variable speed trigger gives you full control over the cutting speed, allowing you to make precise cuts on different types of wood. Best of all, it's cordless, so you won't have to deal with tangled power cords or be restricted to working near an outlet. It's a reliable, hassle-free tool that's perfect for homeowners and professionals alike. If you want to improve your woodworking projects by using dowel joints, the Wolfcraft Dowel Jig is an excellent tool to have in your arsenal. This tool makes it easy to drill perfectly aligned dowel holes, which are essential for creating strong joints in furniture and cabinetry. The jig is designed for edge-to-edge, corner, and T-butt joints, so you can use it for a wide range of applications. One of the best things about the Wolfcraft Dowelmaster is that it's affordable and simple to use, even if you're a DIY beginner. It's compatible with dowel pins in 6, 8, and 10 millimeter sizes, and it works with board thicknesses from 12 to 30 millimeters. With its precision design, you can be sure that your dowel holes will always line up perfectly, making your projects look professional. The Wolfcraft Dowelmaster is also incredibly fast to set up and use, so you won't waste any time trying to align your work pieces. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.